morning. Welcome to the bike building party here for 2017. We're so excited here. We have Las Phoenix with us, President, all here celebrating a great opportunity to go out and serve our military families this year. We're building over 300 bicycles this morning.
300, over 300 bicicletas.
So this is a really exciting moment that we've all been waiting for. We've been planning this, so this is day one of the exciting moment that we're going to be launching on December the 6th down to Fort Hood on 2 semi-18-wheelers to bless our military soldiers at Fort Hood. This is an incredibly exciting moment. You know, we've all been waiting for. We've been planning this since August of this year. You know, as you know that there's no one greater to serve than our military families. All right.
Oh, I appreciate every single one of you guys that showed up today for this just wonderful effort.
It's been beyond what I could have imagined, and I'm beyond honored and grateful that people will come together and just remember what our soldiers are doing every day and all the time, and knowing what it is to have their families to support them and sacrifice daily. So I'm glad that people are still remembering and loving it. So thank you very much.
To hear your worship, to feel your grace all around us in every direction. No, I don't know if our church